Hey guys, welcome back to Ready Set Prep. I just wanted to do a quick little video. I get a lot of comments on things, that are in my door, and I just kind of wanted to go over the things that are in the door. This is my work truck, actually. This is not this is not some prepper vehicle. I don't believe in those, just mostly because they're very visible, and they'll be some of the first vehicles I believe that'll be targeted once shit hits the fan. I want to make sure that everything is concealed and it looks normal. But this is a truck I use on a daily basis, so I keep a tourniquet here. We want to make sure that we're able to act when we need to, and be trained as well. I also keep a Maxpedition Edc Kit, which I've done a video. I'll link in the description down below. This has a multitude of things inside of this. I also carry a fire extinguisher with me. I think I got this from my battle box. Just my truck is everywhere I am, and I think that if I'm home or on the job site or wherever I am, I'll always have a fire extinguisher at hand, be it fireworks or just whatever. I keep bug spray. We do scouting. We also I work outside, so there's times where I'll need something like that. Bear spray, I believe in a less lethal force option. This shoots 20 feet, and it's some nasty stuff. So I believe in having that. This is just a Rover Tac, just a multi-tool. Kids got it for me for Christmas, but it seems handy, so I keep it in my door. I haven't had a chance to use it, but I will. Lord & Field, just a sheath knife here, just this nice sharp straight blade. Keep that there. Keep a 45 ACP, I believe in self-defense. So in the state that I live in Missouri, you can carry these openly or concealed. So this is just what rides around in my truck on a daily basis. This here is just an LED flashlight. We use these a lot, so having light handy is absolutely necessity. So, this is not all my gear. I do carry a backpack with me, bug out bag, get home bag, truck bag, whatever you want to call it. I do have a crate in the back as well with quite a few items, which I'm going to do a video on as well. So, but this is just, I get a lot of comments. What's in your door? Why do you have this? It's preparedness, and I believe that everybody should have these things that you don't have to dig out. These are real emergency items that you'll need in a real emergency, something I'm not going to hop in the back of my truck and unload for. So if you guys like this video, leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel. Stay prepared, people. I think always having these things are becoming more of a necessity in our new world that should be forming here soon enough, unfortunately. So don't forget to Ready Set Prep every day, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.